Okay, today we're working on the J10 project truck, and we're going to put some recovery points on the winch bumper and kind of go from there. So I'm starting on the driver's side. I've taken the top off the bumper, and now basically what I'm doing is I'm making a cut for the recovery hook. It's going to go right there. I got this recovery hook off of eBay, and it's going to slide into that hole, and it'll bolt up right there to the frame and the winch mounting bracket. So, and that's what it'll kind of look like when it's done. So it looks like the cut is just about the right size. It's been finished. I'm going to have to paint everything before I finish the install, but so yeah, so that's the first side. Okay, so we've got the cut for the mounting point, the recovery bracket, and we use the mount as a guide to drill our holes, and we're going to spray paint, prevent any rust, and then we'll get this side installed. Okay, so we have got them installed, and you know, of course, grade A hardware. They came with these aluminum blocks. You know, these weren't for the J10, so but it all worked out fine. So that's the passenger side. And I used a little door trim panel there, right there, just to kind of make sure it was nice and snug, wouldn't have any bare metal on metal. And then this is the driver's side, same thing. But yeah, so it's gonna look pretty good. Not too bad. So beats paying for somebody else to do it. Thanks for watching. This week I added the toe points, the recovery points on the front bumper. I got those off of eBay. They're for another application, but they're going to work just fine. You can see here where the recovery points mount to the winch mounting frame. So looking pretty good.